Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. Now in today's video guys, we are going to be talking about RedotPay. Now if you don't know what RedotPay is, RedotPay is actually a popular crypto payments platform. It allows you to pay with your cryptocurrency online just like regular cash. So it's just essentially like your fiat money or fiat cash, but in crypto. You can use your crypto to pay for your subscriptions. For example, maybe if you are shopping on Amazon, you can do that too. If you are traveling globally, you can also use their physical card or virtual card to pay for anything. Now in this video guys, we are going to explain the step-by-step guide on how to create your account with them, order the virtual card or even the physical card if you want to, and show you how to use your account properly. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's just jump into this video. Before we jump into the step-by-step video, I need to talk about the fees because that's one of the most important and major factors that everybody needs to know. So for RedotPay, you got your virtual card fee. If you want to get the virtual card, you will pay 10 USD or 10 USDT, and for the physical card you will be paying $100 to order that card. Now for the fees, if we go down here, they will be deducting 1.2% of every transaction that you make with their card. And as for the ATM withdrawal fee, now if you are using their physical card to withdraw money, they will be deducting about 2%. Now if you want to dive even deeper, all you need to do is just go to RedotPay official webpage and click on the fees tab, and you can just read these at your own pace. Now what you need to do is just click the link description down below, and if you use my link you will get $5 in your account with RedotPay. And if you use my invite code, you will get 10% off on your order for the physical and the virtual card. Now click on sign up and sign up using your email address or your Google account. Once you sign up with your brand new account, you will be credited those $5 that I mentioned in the first portion of this video. You will be having $5 in your wallet. Now the very first step that we need to do is just to authenticate and verify our account. So click on verify and start verifying your account. Now click on continue and also provide your phone number, so add your phone number in here. Once you add your phone number, you will have an OTP sent to your phone. Put it in here, then choose the country of your origin, so select your country. Then from here in your personal details, put in your details, the first name, last name, and choose the document type that you will use to authenticate your account with. So it's either passport, ID, or driver license. Choose whichever that suits you, okay? Then put in your ID number that should be in one of those documents. It should have the ID number. Put in, like I said, your first name, last name, and your date of birth. Then click on next and finish authenticating your account. Alright, once you open account, it should be looking like this, right? And if we scroll all the way down, you can see that you will be rewarded $5 for signing up with my link, like I mentioned before. Now let's just go ahead and start explaining the features on RedotPay. So the first one is a deposit. If we click on it, you will have multiple currencies right here you can deposit from. You got USDT, USDC, BTC, and multiple other crypto coins. Let's click on USDT for example. You got on-chain, so that means you are gonna deposit from another wallet or another network on the crypto market. So you got a lot of them right here. And if we click on BCC, for example, you will have an address and you can deposit your cryptocurrency. Second option is to buy crypto using Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. You can click on it and put in the amount that you want to buy. Say for example 100, and that will be 96.7 USDT in the current market right now. And you can pay with your Visa, you can pay with your Revolut, Skrill, Nettler, and P2P marketplace, and we're going to be talking about that in a second. Let's just go back. So this is the deposit section. The swap the swap option right here allows you to swap between currencies. So if you got, for example, I have 6.2, let's put in 10 USDT. I want to swap 10 USDT, I will be getting 9.9 USDC. And you got multiple currencies as well that you can choose from. So that's that. And if we go to more, click on P2P right here, and then select buy up top, and we can actually click on the marketplace, and you can go ahead and search your country. For example, let's select India. You can see that a lot of people are selling USDT, and you can buy crypto right away. You can buy crypto from these users. All you need to do is just make sure that are legit and they have some trades before buying from them. So this is, for example, with Indian rupees, excuse me. If you want to buy using the US dollar, you can select US, and you can actually buy from different sellers as well. If you want to buy euros, you can pretty much do the same. Click on euros and you can buy that as well. There's a lot of people are selling in different regions, different markets. Just select your country from the country list, and you can buy crypto right away. So that's how you do it. Now if you click on withdraw, we can withdraw to another crypto wallet, or we can withdraw to a bank account of some sort. So we can select our account from here, and we can withdraw to a Swift bank or a local bank within the US. So these are for international transfers, and the second one is only and solely within the US. So this is how you actually withdraw your money. So that's pretty much it for the features up top. If you click on the card right here, you can order your virtual card, and if you use my invite code, you will get 12% off your first order for the virtual card and the physical card as well. So click on the plus button from here, and as you can see, to get the virtual card, you will have to top up your account and deposit $10 in order to get the card. And it comes with a lot of customizations as well. So that's for the virtual card. For the physical card, you will have to pay 100 USD in order to get the physical card, and you can use it globally with no restrictions at all. Now let's just click on send, and if you want to send money to another user within RedotPay, click on internal transfer and put in their UID or email or phone, and you can just send them the money right away, and it should be in their account within few minutes. If you want to send globally, click on send and put in your amount that you want to send. Okay, let's just put in, for example, $100. Click on continue. You can send it again using Swift international transfers or local bank transfers, which is within the US. So we actually covered that. If we click on assets, you can see all of the amount of money that you have within your account in RedotPay. So you will see the USDT or the crypto currencies, and if we click on fiat, you can also see the currencies in your fiat account. So if you want to get the USD and euros, of course I forgot to mention that, click on it and click on add funds and click on bank transfer, and in here you need to pay about $7 if I'm not mistaken to open a euro account, USD account, and GBP account. So that goes for the fiat currencies. I do have a USD account, and I can send money, receive money from different accounts, different banks with no issues. So yeah, this is pretty much it for RedotPay interface and how to use the app, order your cards, and how to use it swiftly. Alrighty guys, we have reached the end of our video. This was just a quick tutorial about RedotPay and how to use it. If you have any questions regarding this video or any other video, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I will definitely reply to you. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.